Hello guys! I think some people might watch that later, that's why I'm streaming. Okay. So I think everything is good now. And yeah, so today we have some to do. I have some to do. Like, I might want to show some satellites on the roadster inside the fairings. I have also one bug, like the capsule is not removing itself. And yeah, then I have some features with the building, like you can remove the building. You can remove the building when you are in the building setup, so you don't need to go every time to the build mode. And also some fixes for the launchpad, like you can share your launchpad with the competition, with the toggle share with competition, and the AI has 25% percent of chance where to him to select your launchpad. And yeah, I also have some launchpad trackers, like in the 0 to 81, where you could see who is launching now and so on. And yeah, the limitations of the buildings, like you can't build 100 factories and so on. Wait, I need to respond. Okay. So, okay, I don't know why that moved below, I think. I can, okay, now I know. Yeah, I have some bugs with the missions. Like, I fixed that 2 bugs here, but for example, I can use the rocket, which has the durability below 60% by going to the contracts and then selecting the rocket, because it's not detecting anything. And yeah, I need to somehow block the possibility for the AI to make ISS contracts. So I mean, sending satellites to the ISS is funny, and you know that. And yeah, I need to also set the limit of. I mean, if you're the level 5, then you only get the small LEO contracts and not GEO and so on contracts, because that would be funny as well. Yeah, I need to somehow repair the contract status. Because now when you have the contracts, then you have like the status and the text, and it's hovering over the panel, and it's not looking nice, and it's not helpful at all. I need to, yeah, now when I have selected a contract, and then the list reloads, then sometimes, yeah, sometimes the selected contract just disappeared. Hello Olivia. Cześć Olivia, co tam? Więc... Co? Ty Olivia, że możesz po polsku czytać, a ja inny muszę tłumaczyć po angielsku. Yeah, and... This will be for later. So now I will focus myself on these to-dos. Yeah. So this is the music, this is the override mix, mega mix, and yeah, override, I like it. And two people are watching now. Nice. So we are not alone. Okay. So maybe we shall start with the payloads inside the fairings, because that will be quite easy to make. I hope so. And yeah, So my plan to do this is go to each of the launchpad, like that, launchpads. For example, the simple launchpad, and I have the second stage controller here, and which is pretty bug. No. Please. Why are you making this? Okay. What the fuck? What? Okay. So, yeah. This is spaceship. Okay. And the camera is too fast. Oh my god, always. I hate that new camera. It's so fast. And here in the fairings, I need to add a new object, create empty, and move it up a little bit. Like that. Fuck. No! Why is the camera so stupid? I don't get that. The hell? Now it's good because I can actually control the panels. Okay, I will not use bad words. Okay, so... No, wait, what am I doing? I need to operate with this object. Okay. And then I need to disable this fairing. And now I can see the fairing. And yeah. So I may... What the... No! I feel so uncomfortable. Yeah, I think I will need to use the small fairing for the reference. Because, yeah. Okay. So in this small fairing, I will put few satellites to randomize. So this will be the payload visual. And so I will put here in the game object, and this will be the sats, like for the satellites, and one object for the Tesla Roadster. So create empty Roadster. And in the sats I have some models made by Ricklan to be by the way, my English is not so nice. Olivia, bo potem, I will say that in Polish, sorry, bo potem jak ja to udostępniam na różnych serwisach, no i potem to ludzie oglądają, wiesz, tak potem, bo o tej godzinie o 20 w dniu robocze raczej mało ludzi ogląda live streamy, ale na przykład potem w weekend nadrabiają. I was just explaining to Olivia why am I talking to myself on the live streams. And this is just for the people who are rewatching it later. Okay, graphic assets. Materials, no. Why do I have the satellites? I think vehicles, satellites, yeah, here. Okay, so these are the geosat, but I think I will just... yes, Olivia, this is a rocket. So, this is a second stage, like, rocket, you know. Engine. Here is the engine. And this is a rocket. Okay, so I will put a CubeSat here. Nice. How I'm doing? I'm good, Olivia, thank you, and you? I'm very good. Why? Okay, so this is the LeoSat CubeSat 2. This is the satellite one, okay? Let's be fair. Now I will put the Iridium on satellite, and this will be so hard to position. I already know. Oh, fuck. No. Please. Declan. This is... Why is the pivot not here? Oh no. And of course Unity makes it so fast to move. Unbelievable. So stupid. Okay, but yeah, I think this is quite good. Now I will add some colors to it, so yeah. It's looking quite good. Yeah. Nice. Then... I believe you, okay. God, no! I'm the Dennis Nikolaus. Dennis Nikolaus, haha. I'm pretty happy. Okay, so this satellite will be a nightmare to position here, so I will not do that. Maybe pass, yes, pass will be quite easy. Or not, because of this. Man. So hard. But I will try. At least. Or maybe I can just ignore that. What? Why is this so fast? Hello! Unity! I hate you! I can't work like that. This is not good. I just hope nobody will see that, okay? Because I just can't disable that. I would need to edit the model. But it's looking good as well. Okay, now I have the last set. Yeah, this is easy too. The position. I see if you know what. Okay. I mean, Olivia, you can write on the YouTube chat because I don't look at Messenger every time. But look at the... just write your message in the YouTube chat. Easier. For me. For you. So on. Palette. Okay, now I have some Starlink. But I will use Starlink in another update. Because I have some plans for the Starlink. Oops. So this satellite is made by me, by the way. Okay. And this satellite is made by me too. And now I will use the Tesla Roadster. But where do I have the Tesla Roadster? I have no idea. Maybe on Earth? Hello, Neku. Or Olivia. Not here. Plane, no. Other. Yeah, Tesla Roadster, okay. I found you. I found you. My name is a little bit funny. It's not. My name is funny. I mean Dennis. There are very little persons with the name of Dennis. This is funny. A little bit. Okay. So there is a little bit of the fact that I think it's good. It looks like a Tesla Roadster, okay? So let's code it as we can. So this is the second stage animation controller, and we can turn that on and just code it. So we need a public game object, payloads, and then public game object Tesla Roadster. And then maybe public game object concrete, because why not? When you're announcing concrete, then yeah. And maybe launch the concrete. So I will turn the small failings because this will be for small payloads as well, and I will create a cube. And this will be just a cube because this is concrete block. Okay, like that. And now I will add the some sort of maybe that, or maybe darker like this, or this, or maybe not. Oh no, this is starship mode. Okay. It's cold in my house. Why? Maybe turn on your heaters. So this will be the concrete. Oak. Okay, and let's assign that. So this is the concrete, so this will be that. The Tesla Roadster will be the Tesla Roadster, and the payloads are going to be the payloads. Simple and easy. Oak. Okay, everything is disabled, then I can copy that and save it. I have to talk in English. Yes, you have. English is important. Okay, and now I'll do that on the public set public void set payload, and then if control dot current AI company is not null, then return, but else if control dot current vehicle data dot current mission dot dot payloads dot payloads 0 dot is concrete, then concrete set active true, else if control dot current vehicle data current mission dot payloads 0 dot is roadster, then roadster dot set active true, but else when nothing more is found, then I will just payloads payloads random dot range range odd 0 dot payload dot length dot set active true. Okay, and at the end on the reset concrete false test roster set active false. And also, what do I want more? Yeah, the payloads for each warpie in payloads p dot set active false. Me too. Can we be lonely together? Why not? Yeah, why? Reset. Set payload. Okay, and now as an important thing. On payload panel click. Reset fill up. Yeah, here, okay. So if current mission setup dot payloads that count is more than 0 and launch button dot interactable is equal to true, else launch button dot interactable is equal to false. So you always need a payload, no matter what. Okay, and did I use that somewhere? Here. Ah, okay. I don't need that at all. On launchpad panel click. Okay. So let's test that. That should work. I hope this works. But yeah, I need now to make the same thing to every launchpad. So this is good, okay. Now I will go to the advanced launchpad and I just do the same here. Second stage. Firings. Okay. And then I almost finished it actually. And I'm done. Okay. Nice. Now I can test that out. So let's launch a rocket. So I will launch a concrete with a rocket. And yeah, I hope this works. Mech. Okay, F9. I will launch a concrete first. Okay, so let's do a static fire maybe. Fa! My rocket. So I need to build a new rocket. Huh. Okay, so man. Hello, Dice Replace. What's up? Okay, so maybe this time it won't explode. Please. So let's do this. What? I'm sure I just launched that payload. Ah, okay, so I probably need to... Yeah, okay. No! For the second time, really? Hello? Why? Hello, Mike. No! But wait, Also, I found a bug. Okay, so when I do a static fire, then payload test. Okay. I need when the static fire explosion occurs, then the payload is still here, so yeah, I need to fix that. Okay, so now I will not make a static fire, okay? But I will wait one day because I want to see this at the day. Like that. Okay, so I will just launch it. And please don't explode. Please. 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 Yay. Or? Yay, it didn't explode. Nice. Okay, so now we should see a satellite here. Inside. I hope. Yeah! A satellite is inside. Yay! Okay, so now... What? Okay. So somehow the rocket went from here to here. That's motivating. Thank you, Dice Replace. I can't wait to. But I thought I fixed this. Huh? What? Why? Thank you. Okay, so yeah, now let's launch a concrete from the Vanderberg. Okay, so launch. Yeah, the concrete is here. So this is the concrete block. Okay, so this is working. Oh. Okay. So this time it worked. But why? Ah. Not again. Hey, I'm done with that. I'm just doing hard reset, okay? Enumerator hard reset and yield return new wait 4 seconds, and this will wait about 60 seconds or maybe 35 seconds, and then it will reset rocket. True. Does the concrete block fall back down to the earth or stay in orbit? It will stay in the orbit. So this is the hard reset. Okay, and then at the reset, wait, I will answer your question in a moment. So look at the screen now, Dicer Place. Because you probably will like it. Probably. So... I can create that monster. And I can create that monster. And yeah, that's it. So... the spaceship will be here in the next update. And then I will just develop, add more features later in the other updates. But for now you can just launch it to the ISS. And then back. And yeah. I wonder if you can launch ISS resupply with the spaceship. I don't know. I think only with the capsule. Okay. But yeah, now the error should not happen ever again. Yeah. Yep. Okay. I hope nobody ever will need hard reset. I hope. Okay. So, yes, I have the payloads. I can... Okay, so I can just make that as finished. Okay, so now if I do a static fire and the static fire explodes or something like that, the payloads are not going to remove, as well as the capsules. I need to fix that. But I don't know how. I probably need to launch status and explode to true. Okay, I probably didn't do that. I hope. Yep. Okay. Explode is equal to 1. Okay. And that should do the thing. Now let's test. How am I gonna to test it? I think I will need to make here 100. Yeah. And then I will set that back to 6.5. But if I forget to change that, so somebody please remind me later. Because if I forget to change that, then every static file will explode forever. So better not. Okay, so I will start with the capsules, so they can build themselves already. No, I don't. Okay. Okay. I think. Yeah, cool. And F9. I don't have any payloads to launch for now. I need to get some. Like that. Let's Leo, small, L. Okay. So please AI give me some payloads. Give me payloads. Okay. So this kind AI give me the payload. This is the Proba 21. So I will try to launch the Proba. And this, yeah, Proba and Sina, and not the Switch. Okay. And let's see if the payloads are going to be the failure one. Boom! Shit. Okay. And then if I go here, no. Huh. Okay, so it's not working. The fix is not working. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. I need to turn on some music. But I don't know which. Maybe this is cool music. Okay. So the fix didn't work. Nice. Very nice. So the error will be probably somewhere here. I think. Event crash. Ah. Okay, so deploy status 0. I need to change that too. Okay. So the deploy status to 0 as well, because it's a failure. And that should do the thing basically, but yeah, now if selected data is not reusable, okay. Deploy status. Okay, so now the capsule should, yeah, so the capsule should be destroyed too, because the deploy status had to be 0. Okay. Well, again, Proba and Sina, they were launched one time. So it will be made on the use buster, so static fire. Bomb. Okay. So now the payload should be failure. Yeah, okay. So dive, there they are failure. 1. Oh. I need to build the capsule now. So this will take a while. Okay, so we will launch a pretty important payload, the ISS resupply, with the rocket. So let's do that. Boom, boom, boom. Ugh. And with the stickers maybe. And let's do a static fire and it won't explode. Haha. 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 Ah. Okay, so the failure reason, the vehicle lost connection with the launch center. It didn't know what to do. Nice. Why didn't he ask? Ah, okay. I'm thinking about redesigning the report machine a little bit. So I could move that here and the failure here. That would be better, I think. I can do that in a moment. Fuck, I forgot to check if the capsule is removed or not. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I probably didn't... Oh. Hello, Emirati. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, and let's static fire it. Wow, okay. So now let's check if the capsule is removed. Okay, so the capsule is removed now and this is the failure. Okay, so it's working, nice. What big net update for EarthX? Yeah, the capsules... actually everything, the updates changed everything. I mean, really everything. Okay, so this is done. Back. Okay. Now I will make some music. Please. Give me some idea. Maybe this. Why not? Okay. So the Discord don't say anything. can you show a little bit of the new things? Yeah, I can do that. So, let's launch the game. I will do that on this save. So the first new thing is probably this thing. So this is the International Space Station. Yeah, another new thing are the new launchpads models, and there are actually now launchpad types. So, for example, this is small launchpad, only for launching the rocket, and the advanced launchpad for the crew and so on. This is a ship for the capsules to catch them, and yeah, this is of the change on the planet. So this is of course the new atmosphere. And now if we go firstly to the build mode, then you can see you can build the launchpad wherever you want. For example, the mega launchpad. And from mega launchpad you can launch the super heavy with the starship. And yeah, now for example, when you have the hangar, then you can inspect of the hangar and change the name and so on, or maybe add some employees to the factories and even rename it. Yeah, for the vehicles, because this is the biggest change. And now when you want to launch a mission, so you have the new window launch setup, and here you can pick multiple payloads inside the capsule or the fairing or the rocket. Then you can select the launchpad. Like, there are a lot of new launchpads, the default ones, like the China ones, Russia ones, New Zealand ones, and so on. You can name the mission, like maybe Emirati One mission. So this is will we have the match missions? Yeah, I look for that in the future, after full release. But yeah, so this will the Emirati 1 mission. And we can launch it from the Cape Canaveral, and now we can select where the rocket will land. So I will do that on the barge, because why not? And yeah, the new launch panel, which looks pretty cool in my opinion. Like, you have the payloads, which you are launching now. You have the telemetry data of the rocket, like the speed and the altitude. And yeah, so now I can just launch it. So the new camera shake effect. And the rocket is launching, and it will explode, so yeah. So the Emirati 1 mission didn't have enough silver tape, so these are some new funny mission failures. And yeah, this is not all, because now we have the new vehicle creator, where we can create the capsules and so on. The new rocket model made by Riklan, which is incredible, and a lot of new modules. Look how many new modules, the parachutes and so on, and the spaceship, which we can launch too. Yeah. So, of course, there were some requests from the players where the list of the rockets was pretty buggy and slow after a few minutes of the gameplay, because when you wanted to create a rocket, then the list was like so. And now this is categorized, so yeah, everything just works. For the new contracts, yeah, there are some bugs, I know. Yeah, I added the deadlines, so now you can see the deadlines. Like 1 year left. Could the spaceship be named Starship? You can name the spaceship Starship, but I can't, because this is copyright. And now you can launch them. I mean, really now. Why are you still here, lol? Okay, just go launch them or I will delete your Minecraft account. Okay. The new research tree, because I didn't like the modules tree, because it was pretty slow and boring and nobody knew how to use it. But now you have the level stuff and you are just focused on the stuff which are on your level. So, pretty cool too. Yeah, the news window, this is the same as always in the company tab, so I read one review on the EarthX page that the game to go too fast. Is that true? I don't know, this is personal opinion. For me, the game is just okay. And the game is... oh, there is one rocket explode. The game is just developing, so if the opinion was like in the August, this is like, you know, 5 months, and there is a lot of change during that 5 months. So yeah, the game just develops and I'm not standing still. Now I have the fundraising tab in the new update, like the hats, bricks, so you can just found yourself. And of course this is Elon related, I know. But yeah, who cares? This is funny. And yeah, the build mode I already saw you. And of course more, the change, a lot more change behind the mask. Because yeah, pretty cool too. So I want to show you one more thing, the camera. So I will need to build that rocket. And I have fixed the algorithm to the assign of the factories. So when you have all factories, then all factories will be used. Thank you. Okay, so let's build it. That rocket. And now if you launch it, then you will see a cool thing. Like now I added, when you add the camera module, then you can see the rocket like the SpaceX does. Those. So you can see how the rocket is, what the rocket is seeing, like the cameras on the rocket are. So yeah, this is nice as well, in my opinion. Very cool. And the rocket won't explode now. And now I have fixed the firing animations. It's look like the firing animations. Nice. So there is actually a payload inside the satellite. And the rocket is landing. And the rocket is now dirty when it lands. So we can see that here. Just like the SpaceX rockets are. So the rocket landed, of course little inside the bed, but yeah. And now if you launch the rocket again, so this is another funny detail, I mean cool detail, because the rocket will be dirty at the launch pad if launched twice. So this is great, Ilmo. And yeah. And the new rocket sound. I don't know if you can hear them. I can't. But yeah, they're here. I like the camera shake effect. Looking nice. Yeah. And of course the Twitter. Yeah, so this is basically that X. The update is almost finished. I have only a few things to make, and yeah, I can release it in 2 weeks on the 27th. What idea? when you launch a rocket with the capsule with the launch tower tunnel, move to it. Yes, it does. I can show you that on the Starship and the Super Heavy. But let me first make some music. Maybe this. I will build Super Heavy. Super Heavy. So this will be the Super Heavy. I will let it build. And the Starship. And yeah. Yeah, tell me. You can tell me everything. Okay, so now there is a mega launch pad, and just look how this arm will move to it. Look, do you see that? And then when I launch it, then it will move away. Amazing. Yeah, I have some errors, but I know why, so that's good. Wow. Oh yeah. Add Aurora in some location in the world, like nowhere, and if you... Yes, I know, but Aurora is pretty expensive. It's very expensive, and I don't want to... I mean, not expensive for... in the sake of... how do I say that? It's expensive on the performance, because the volumetric light is very... It's like eating UPC. I love the purple blue flames. Thank you. I don't think slime is not that hard on PC. I know Emirati, but when I add the volumetric light, then it will be hard on the PC. Because I tried to add it once. I have even out about, but it didn't work well with the current style. So I don't want to add too many things in the graphic. It should be simple like that. And I have even some planet reference later in another update, because I have the one planet done. So I can't show you because it's a secret, but yeah, it's done and it will be added later in another update. Okay. Now let's look at the Tesla. Not good. What does the SafeFit do? For now, nothing. Like you can send the ISS payloads with them. Like all the Ceres missions at once. But other than that, just nothing for now. But I will add more features with the upcoming updates. So don't worry. And the spaceship will be actually the most important vehicle in the game. Because I have some really great plans for another updates, but yeah, I don't want to tell too much because I want to keep this as a surprise. Because everyone is waiting for one specific feature in the game, and I'm about to add it, but I won't tell which feature. So yeah. Let me work on the EarthX. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. The elementary one. What don't put that? No, yes, I will disable the ISS missions. Firstly. And yeah, maybe tune on some music as again. So the Tesla is going not well today. Okay. Now I need to create a contract, but this does happen in the eye. Another eye company. Yeah, it's quite stupid for me because I moved from Poland to the Germany, and I had 2 years downgrade and then 1 year upgrade, and yeah. But this is my last year. 70. I should be 15 here, but I'm 70 because of the moving stuff and so on. But 1 last year and I think I will be free. Payload size, payload always. Yes, 70. Why is that? I know, okay. I need to probably go to the missions manager. Go up. Or not. Or maybe this will be, okay. This will be sit in the vehicle manager. Yeah, this, okay. So maybe high school. But the Germany education system is a little bit other than the normal ones. But there is like a Grundschule, which takes 4 years, and then you go to the Hauptschule, which is like 5 years. Maybe wait, 5? Yeah, now this is 4 years again. Maybe 5. Yeah, this will be 5 years. Okay, so the Hauptschule is 5 years. Now I'm doing like something like Hauptschule, but it's the name is Umzug, and after Umzug I will redo that year again because I want to gain more time for games, and then after that I will just finish the school. I will not do another years or other schools because I just don't want to. It's boring for me, the school. Maybe add a feature sometime in the future for finding new. Yeah, I think I can think about it, but this will be after fully release. I won't add any planets before it because it's too hard. So the suborbit is 0. The ISS is 2. Okay. Okay, so if payload orbit is equal to 2, then payload orbit is equal to 1. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, let's see if the AI is generating ISS contracts or not. By the way, you can all join my Discord server. What are nice people. So yeah, pretty nice place. Every day somebody is here and so on. We can have some conservation. Keep going if you want. 1 year break, it's fine, but don't stop school. And I will stop school, this is for sure. Because I'm very bored in school. Like really, I just in the night degree, like last year, I could go to the school and I was just sleeping, and I wasn't coming sometimes at all. And then at the end, I just made the best. I mean, the second best possible note. Yeah, I was just good. Anyway, so this is my life decision, and I will just stop. Maybe yeah, I can make a new save because this is pretty bad. Because I clicked too much of ease and the CS contract have generated for the test purposes. Yeah, the mark. I have 1.8. 1.8. Okay. So these are the contracts. So let's see if the AI is generating ISS contract. I hope not, but it shouldn't. Okay, so this is small Geo, small Leo. Small Mio, small Geo. Okay, bye bye. Small Leo, small Mio, small Leo, small Leo, okay. Oh, this one have 4 payloads, nice. Okay. Okay, so the AI is not granting ISS contract anymore, which is nice. It will be released. I aim for 27th, but yeah, this may change, as always. Okay, so I think that will be it for today. Because I want to learn something, so I can stream somewhere else. Um, some when someone. Yeah, I just will stream in the future for sure. But yeah, for today that will be it. I did pretty lot of stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, everybody, and yeah, stay here. Bye bye. How do I make the stream off? Oh, here. Okay, so bye bye.